Here you will learn how to redirect your domain name URL to any social media page that you care to or any website. Now let's get cracking. When I sign in, I'll be signing into my account at specified domain. Now, you will sign into your account wherever you have your domain name hosted or recorded at. So what we want to do is go to My Products, scroll down here to the name that you would like to use, which in this case, bite-sized tips for me. Bite-sized, I don't need to manage. Go to the DNS, go to forwarding, scroll down right here to bite-sized tips, and I already have the name selected for that. So and you do want it permanent. You select the permanent. So I'm going to click on this so we can go back into it on how to do this. Forwarding, bite-sized tips. You want this selected here, the HTTPS. And then right here is where we're going to forward it to. You get to select permanent 301 or temporary. Just ignore this forward with masking. We're just interested at this point with the 301 permanent. You got that selected. And at this point, you need to know where you're going to forward this name to, which will be right here. So go into that, highlight it, copy, and then have this highlighted or just picked out. Now yours won't have a name in there if this is a fresh forward. So after you get that in there, click that and paste. After you bring it over, and I've already got it, I'll save it anyway, just so you can see what happens. Domain forwarding done. This is what the link will be. Domain forwarding done. You're all done. Now, I want to give you a bonus on showing you how to create a subdomain. Now, subdomains are handy for affiliate people that like to do affiliate names. You can create a subdomain. Now here I have one showing as, this is only an example, facebook.bitesizedtips.com. The name in front of the bitesizedtips.com has a dot with a Facebook in front of it, and that's the name I created. Now when you create these, make sure you get the HTTPS, and then of course you'll go to the page you want that to go to. Would be your affiliate page. In this case, it is a Facebook page, and you also want to have that as a permanent 301. Go down and click save, and then you're all done. Easy peasy. See you on the next trip.